To remove a Facebook page from Business Manager, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to log into Meta Business Suite. If you're using your mobile device, you can go to Google Chrome web browser and then go to Meta Business Suite. Log in with your credentials that have admin access to Business Manager account. And then go to Events Manager. After that, tap on All Tools option. And from the options that appear, tap on Business Settings that you will find between Store Locations and Collaboration Center. Tap on it. Now access the Pages section. Click on the page you want to remove and ensure that you have admin permissions for this page. And in the Page Details panel, look for the Remove button and click on Remove to unlink the page from your Business Manager. Remember that you must be an admin of the Business Manager account to remove the page, or you should have the admin permissions to remove the page. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.